back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you website owners and webmasters out there. Google has rolled out a significant security update for its Search Console, and it's all about improving the management of ownership tokens. Stick around as we delve into the details. Google Search Console has released a security update around user permissions and controls management where you can better manage the ownership tokens. Now, ownership tokens are used for when people verify your site in Search Console, Merchant Center and other Google products, and sometimes people who had access in the past to your profiles no longer should. This update should make it easier to manage such access and remove those tokens and permissions when they are no longer needed. Let's take a look at what Google says about it. We are rolling out further improvements to Search Console's user and permission management, incorporating capabilities related to unused ownership token management. Tokens are the codes used for website ownership verification in Search Console, Merchant Center, and other Google products. We have seen cases where these were accidentally left behind after owners have moved on. In February 2023, we rolled out improvements to the user and permissions management report. The latest changes will improve the accuracy and reflect the actual state of unused ownership tokens. Now, what it looks like. In the user and permissions interface, under the unused ownership tokens, you will see a screen like this where you can click remove to remove access to those ownership tokens. You will now be able to verify whether an unused ownership token has been removed from the site by following this flow. Visit the users and permission interface, click unused ownership tokens, choose the tokens you'd like to remove, and click remove click verify removal to get an update for the unused ownership tokens. As a reminder, best practice for managing user permission in Search Console is when removing a previously verified owner, be sure to remove all verification tokens for that user. The update rolled out on 16th April 2024 lets you verify the removal of the unused verification token so that removed owners cannot regain access to the property. That's all for today's video, folks. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on all things tech related. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Until next time, happy optimizing.